happy and shot his this thing and went his way. I was like, wow. And then that would be it. I was like, wow.
Morning guys. Morning guys. Oh. Zion and I are the only one who are awake. It's past 7. Oh gosh. I just thought I'd pick up the camera this early because yesterday I don't think I was able to pick up the camera. I only showed you guys what I had for dinner. That was it. I was not able to pick up the camera. So yesterday we planned on going out just to go for a walk around town because the weather was good. Like the sun was out. It was just a tad bit chilly because it was a bit windy, just a little bit, but it was good. We all got dressed. We were excited, and then a friend of ours called to say that wait, now I'm recording. A friend of ours then called to say that they too wanted to go to town and just have a relaxing day as a family, but when they got to town, everywhere was shut. Like everywhere was closed. I was like, what do you mean everywhere was closed? It's Easter Sunday. Yeah, I know, but like I think they should have been open, but it was closed. We were discouraged, we were sad, and we just came back home and just, if you guys can hear any of the Zion, they're just trying to so we were sad and we were just like, oh. We came back home, played music, we're just dancing, and then Hubby's like, oh, who wants something from McDonald's? I was like, yep, I do. And he's like, I thought you are doing a smoothie diet. I'm like, nah, that one has ended. So we got what I showed you guys, McDonald's, and I always like to get KFC chicken when I get my McDonald's because it's just McDonald's is just burger and fries. I like to get my KFC chicken and my corn on the cob. So that's what we did yesterday. And then this morning, today, that we were like, okay, we're gonna go out today because I have work today by 9 because I took extra time at work, overtime at work today. We're like, we're gonna go out after my working hours, which is 2 o'clock. And I came down, it's like hailstone, and I'm watching the news right now. It's like, nope, it's going to be a terrible weather. Hi guys, good morning. It's been a long time. You guys have seen me and seen my hair bonnet. It's been a long time I've picked up the camera. It's just been that kind of chilled week. COVID is beginning to ease down a little bit. Today is what? Today is the 8th. By the 12th, the 12th is Monday, right? By the 12th we're going to be allowed, well, I think we're going to be allowed to meet people indoors, and the stores will be open so you can go get your hair, your nails. That is the part I am excited about because it's been 2 years that I've had a full set of acrylic nails. I've always had stick-on nails for 2 years, ever since I found out I was pregnant in 2019. I was like, you know what, I'm not going to be going to that. I just don't want to go and be inhaling all the whole acrylic thing. I just was like, you know, I just want to do stick-on nails. A lot easier, a lot cheaper, but I'm craving a full set, so I'm definitely going to have a full set. My legs, if you guys see my legs, oh my god, my leg, you can use my legs to scrub what's if, like it would literally, you can use my leg as sandpaper because that's how rusty my feet are. I need to get my feet done. We have a wedding to attend next month. Yes, my first wedding. In last wedding I went for was in 2019. Yeah, so my first wedding in 2 years. Like I am so excited. Ew. So, and that's gonna be like my first proper British wedding. The first one I went for was a Nigerian couple, so this is like a proper British wedding. I'm so excited. Do I need to get a fascinator? I'm excited. But anyways, so I just need to get like some, like I just want to just pamper myself. Today's Thursday and I really want to exercise. I do exercise Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So 4 days in a week I try to put in my exercise. I want to make my pre-workout meal. I usually have oats and fruits, and there's no way I can work out without eating. Let that digest for like say an hour, and then I'll start working out. Breakfast is ready. Oats, grapes and bananas with a sprinkle of cinnamon. So I want to work out, and I thought I wear my girdle. What is this called? My waist trainer, not girdle, my waist trainer. And see, I don't even know. I used to be able to zip it up because you're meant to zip this and then use this, but I cannot even zip it. Like we cannot zip it, so I'm just going to use this one because I cannot come and kill myself. I used to be able to zip it up before. When I first got it initially, this was how I was wearing it, and then later on I was able to zip it up, and now this. So I'm just going to jog a little bit just to get my heart rate going, and then we can start our workout. Sayano. Zion, leave that place. Hi guys, so it's been a long time I've picked up the camera. Right now I'm picking up my phone because I'm going out and I'm still shy to hold the camera, so pick up my phone. It's been a long time. Well, the last time I picked up my camera I think was when I was making this hair, and I haven't shown you guys. People are coming and I'm shy to even talk. Maybe I will let them pass first. Let me use that so I can record my record. You want to eat your biscuits? See, your face is white too. I'll be shy, they'll not do my video. So I had to let the people in front of me pass because I was shy. So it's been a long well, as I said, this is the final result of the hair. I'm really loving it. So today we're just myself and Ibiso and Zion. We're going out to get some medication for Zion. So I think he's T10. Today's day, I think day 10 or 11, and he has been pooing very frequently. Not necessarily like a diarrhea or a loose stool, but it's just been very frequent. I would say 90% of the texture has been okay, and then there's some days whereby it was a little bit watery. But so far today he has only pooed once. I think was it yesterday or the day before, he actually pooed 5 times. Crazy. So we've taken a sample of his stool to the GP. We're just waiting for the results to come out, which is said takes about a week, and she advised that we get Dialyte or something like that. But when she said it, I didn't understand what she was saying. How I didn't hear her, I didn't remember. So I thought if I go to the GP, so if I go to the pharmacy and I tell them I need something for his running tummy, they'll be able to prescribe something for me. But when I went there, the pharmacist I spoke with said since he was teething, it was just that, and that I should just basically just give him TT medicine. But he's still pulling. Okay, let this person pass through because I'm quite shy. He's at the back. Zion, look at the dog. Okay, no, we're going straight. So I was just having a conversation with my friend, and I was just, oh my god, this is what's happening to Zion, blah blah blah. And she was like, oh, it happened to her daughter when she was also teething, and she gave her this thing called Dialyte or whatever. I was like, oh my god, that's what the lady was saying. That's what the lady was saying. I was so excited that I finally got the name and somebody knew it. So today I just closed from work now, and we're just about to get on the tram, go to the city center, well, the closest city center to where we live, not the main city center. Go there and just get it, and then we'll probably walk back home. But it's quite a beautiful day. It's actually 10 degrees. It feels like 8 degrees, but it's actually good. Nothing too it's good. You can see it's beautiful weather. It's just nature all around us. And that's IBI. If you can see her, I'm even sure. I don't even know what I'm doing. But that's IBI and Zion. Am I showing them? No. So that's IBI and Zion in front. Hubby is at home. It's a beautiful day outside, and we are going to town. I'm so excited. Like, put on my jean jacket or white t-shirts, my jeans and my sneakers. Everyone is excited. We move. And we got Zion a new stroller, so we thought let's launch the stroller out. But the weather is nice. Zion's bag, Zion's cute elephant bag, all packed. It is a beautiful day. Sorry, my hand, using my phone to vlog as always when I'm outside. Look at how beautiful it is. Like, the sun is out. We're about to go and take some ice cream and lay in the sun. Yeah, look at my gang. How you feel with my ice cream? So bad. So good. I think she still does.
Zion was so asleep.
Hey. Ice cream, take. It's not. I don't want it to touch his hand. Take ice cream. He didn't even lick it. He didn't even open his mouth. I think he wants to sleep. I just told him like there's no way you can send money to him because of the list. I don't know, Chef. So beautiful. Ah. Hi, mister. How are you? How you doing? Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Guys, like, as long as I remove my shoe, I'll be fine.
What, here like this?
Like this, put it there.
Yeah.
Is the bridge moving?
Yeah. I know, right?
Okay, babe, we need to calm down because I am freaking out. I did not expect it to be moving. My brother, I'm not Carlo.
Can you not see the ropes?
In my village, we don't have this type.
It's called suspension.
Oh my, I didn't expect it to be moving.
What's in the make? Why is it feel?
I'm trying to capture Abia. She's hiding behind.
I mean, not capture me.
Why?
No.
Oh, my husband doesn't want to be captured. Hi guys. So today is what's today is it?
Today is
24th. Today is 24th and we're just on our way out. Today is Saturday. Just myself and IBI and Uncle Zion here. Just look at Zion. See how cute he looks. So we're just about to go out to go a little bit shopping. We are late. I thought we'll go out by 11. This is already the 1 and we're still in the house. So we're just going to quickly go out to get a few things for my nephew, my nieces. I also want to get foundation. I don't have any foundation that's my shade, so I want to see if I can get foundation. Maybe get foundation for IBI too, and just walk around town, get a couple of things, a couple of food items to buy, and then we'll just come back home. But my battery is actually low, well, not low, 50%, and I didn't even realize that. I should have charged it before now, but we'll see. I will just vlog sort of like the important things or things that I want to show. Even if I even remember to vlog, I would vlog. But yeah, let's go, and yeah, see you guys later. And I'm entering inside next. So you come out from there. I wish I could vlog. I'm going to go and this one is closed that she's going to. No, it is allowed. Let me use style and do it. So let's get something for my niece. Oh, this dress looks beautiful. Ah, she'll feel like a princess inside. Dada. I don't want to get her anything too expensive because she already said she wants Hi guys.
Young man, will you let me pass?
Apparently not.
Will you let me pass? I missed you, boy. Did
We just got home from shopping. It's 4:31. We left the house about 1, almost 1 o'clock when we left the house. I'm tired. Like, I had a good time because I shopped. I bought makeup, made me happy. But the point of our shopping is walking up and down. It just makes you so tired. So I'm just having myself some ginger beer and some chicken patties. I'm going to show you guys what we got. So I got some stuff for my nephew and my niece, which obviously I won't show you guys, but I'm going to show you guys the makeup that I went to get. Like, just scatter Fenty Beauty for them, just dash Rihanna some money. But I just got a bit of Fenty Beauty items because I don't have foundation, and I don't have and I wanted to get the powder, cream to powder foundation. Is that what they call it? So I got a couple. I got one. I also got I also got foundation and a couple of things. So I'll just show you guys what we got from Fenty Beauty and from Boots in general. And I got some skincare products. See my baby. See your phone. Only you have iPhone. So let me show you guys what I got. So these are all the things that we end up getting. I got this Botanics product. It's the hydrating overnight mask. This I can't even remember how much I bought it for. I think it was probably £11 something. So this is what it looks like. But so
My wife not do laundry again.
as in, I don't even do anything. Don't know if you guys heard the knock on the door, but my delivery came. I got myself some soft box lights. Is that what they call them? But I'll show you guys when I open that one. But for now, let's continue with our haul. Zion. But as I was saying, with this one, it's so funny because it says Simply Calm with cannabis sativa seed oil. It just, I think so what actually attracted me. Like, literally, they use cannabis to make the product. But they said, yeah, well, as the name says, Botanica. And then I got myself the Pixie Glow Tonic. I just got a small bottle this time around. The last time I had it, I got a big bottle, but I got a small bottle this time around. I was thinking of getting the vitamin C one, but I still ended up sticking with this one. I got myself the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. This is what I got myself, and I got it in 420. So we did don't know why it's not. I'm not sure why it's not focused, but I got it in 420. We got another Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation, and this is in 440. So this one is for IBI. And then I got my the same Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in 420. I got another Botanics product. This is the Revive and Protect with black tea kombucha postbiotic moisturizer. Look at how my hands are white. God. So this is their moisturizer. I got this one, and I also got the Simply Calm with cannabis sativa seed oil hydrating serum for stressed skin. My skin is very stressed, so the reason why I got the 3 was because it's 3 for 2. So you buy 3 and you get the cheapest one for free, and I think this was the cheapest one for £9. So that was the cheapest one for free. And then I got myself, I hope this is actually my shade, or it looks dark sharp, but I got myself the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser multi-use concealer, and this is in deep bronze. IBI got this is also Maybelline, yeah, their Brow Ultra Slim black brown pencil. She got herself some lip gloss from NYX, the Filler Instincts, and I got myself the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream, and this is in Cookie Jar 04. I want to open this one. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to wear this. I'll show you guys when I wear it what it looks like on my lip, because I hope I will like it and I hope it will suit me. But yeah, this is everything that we bought, and trust me, there's a lot of money. It doesn't look like a lot, but when they gave me the receipt, I was like, okay, girl, congratulations, you have done well. Hi guys, please don't mind the background. I cannot be bothered. I'm tired, exhausted. I thought I'd just show you guys what this Fenty Beauty cream, what is it sir? I don't even know. The Gloss Bomb Cream. I thought I'd show you what it looks like, and I got the color Cookie Jar. Hopefully I will like it. Ah. Wrong color. I don't know if this is the shade I was going for, to be honest. I don't know if I like it, but we'll make it work. But this is just what it looks like. Honestly, I don't know if I like it. I think it's okay, to be honest. It's not that bad. I just look really tired because I'm really tired. So I guess that's why I'm looking like this. I look like a hot mess. I'm so tired, but I thought I'd just show you guys what that looks like. And at this point, I'm even thinking maybe I should just end this vlog here because I think it's becoming way too long. I don't have any structure because it's a vlog, so you just pick up the camera as you move. I don't think we'll be going anywhere again. We wanted to go out tomorrow for like a nice lunch, but honestly I'm tired. Like I'm actually really tired. But you know, let me just end the vlog here. I don't think if I pick up the camera for anything, it will be because I want to start a new vlog. That will be the only reason why I will pick up the camera. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for staying tuned. Even when I don't post videos, I'm like, today I post, I don't post another 2, 3, 4 weeks. You guys are always still there. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. God loves you, so do I. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment down below telling me what you like about this video, telling me what I should do next. I have some great content. I'm actually using my camera now to end my phone, sorry, to end the vlog finally, because my camera is so rude. The battery died. Like, you're so rude. Just look at you. You're so rude. So the battery died, so I just thought I'd come and use my phone to end the vlog. I said I was going to show you guys what my ring lights looks like, so I probably will show you guys, as I said, in my next vlog, or you guys will just see it. It's just a normal softbox ring light that I got. That's all I got. So, and I got a spray bottle for hair. Nothing really fancy, to be honest. So I'll see you guys in my next video. God loves you, so do I. Bye.